All right, so if the limit does not exist at some x equals a, we say the function f is not differentiable at x equals a, or f prime of a does not exist. So some examples where it doesn't exist are here below. And guess what? It's where there's a break in the graph. It's where there's kind of a point in the graph, so you can't really see it there, but there's a sharp corner, and because of that, you can't take the derivative there. This one, it's kind of the sharp corner going up, and so it's a vertical line. You can't have that. Again, here we have it's kind of a vertical tangent, so we wouldn't be able to do that one. And here we have a vertical asymptote, so we wouldn't be able to have a derivative at that point there. So it's non-differentiable at x equals a if the graph has a hole or break at x equals a. So, that's the hole or the break. Okay. And so therefore, f prime of a does not exist in a here or b here because there's this break here as well. Now, if the graph has a sharp corner x equals a, then f prime of a doesn't exist and there's no tangent. All right, so, well, if there's a sharp corner, which is what happens at this one, because what happens is it came down and then, it's coming back up again, then that's going to be a problem. And this one also has that sharp corner as well. And so both of those, B and D, are going to be not having a derivative at that point. Now, note B, the left and right hand derivatives exist, but they're not going to be equal. So it's hard to see all that, but that's how it works in that one. Or actually, it's b here. It's the derivative here because it's coming down and that. So it's hard to see, but yeah, that's how it works. Now, if the graph has a vertical tangent at x equals a, then f prime of a doesn't exist, and that's going to be c and d. Okay. So again, if there's a vertical tangent, which is this one, and it's one of those things, the tangent is when you draw it, you have to what it breaks through the graph that way, and it's going to be vertical here. And then again, it's going to be a vertical at this point here. So we're not having uh, um, uh, derivative at those 2 points. So again, we'll get more experience with those as we go. But the key ones that usually you'll see are the ones with breaks in the graph, or sharp corners, or the vertical tangents. Those are a little less common usually, but those are there as well. All right, so hopefully that helps you now with 9.4 getting all those assignments done.